Okay, short video of how to disarm the transponder immobiliser on the Defender. So there we see LED flashing, immobiliser armed. Attempt to start the vehicle, ignition on, but it will not crank. You see the LEDs sped up there, so no crank. Now if I introduce the transponder, so ignition on, just wave the transponder in front of the LED. You see the LED's gone off now. Back to the ignition switch. There you go, vehicle starts and runs. And when you turn the ignition off, LED comes on for a short while. After 15 seconds or so, it will start to flash and the system's fully armed again, and we'll need the swipe before it will disarm. There you go. Defender defended.